Hey fam, I'm back with another video. Today you'll be watching another DIY project my husband and I, mainly him, decided to take on. Since we purchased this house about 4 years ago, we've managed to basically make the rest of our house to our liking. A couple of months ago I decided to go from the turquoise and the grays and the silvers to kind of like all grays and all silvers. So the theme for my house is now like 50 shades of gray. That's just something that I came up with. However, from the time we came to do a walkthrough of the house and before we even put in an offer on the house, the stairs, I have always wanted to change. We even had like minor little renovations done after we had purchased the house, but it was very minor, but we just didn't bother to do the stairs, the carpet on the stairs, because my husband at the time said it wasn't that bad. However, for the past 4 years, it is completely driving me insane and I absolutely hate it. So finally, after all of this time, my Mother's Day present that he has gracefully decided to give me was for us to DIY and replace these ugly, nasty, stinky, smelly stairs, and we're gonna go with like a laminate flooring on the stairs. So it's a huge undertaking for him, mainly because he's doing all of the work and I just sit back and kind of watch, but that's just how he is. I come in normally in the design aspect of like picking out the flooring, colors, paints, and things of that nature. But the manual labor part, 90% of it falls on him, and maybe 10% I'll help, or my son or one of my brothers. But anyway, this is the before. We're actually in the process of still waiting for the flooring. We have to custom order it. So I will be posting an after in about 2 to 3 weeks, because it's about 2 weeks wait for the floor, and just say, me knowing him, he'll probably even take off to just finish the flooring. So in about a couple of weeks you'll get an after with the completed stairs. We have to do touch up white paint along the baseboard moldings and the handrails, just to give everything a fresh new look. The rest of my house is basically coming along with I changed the painting colors on the wall and just revamping and going for the new image that I'm looking for with that 50 shades of gray. So changing this carpet out on the steering is kind of like the final touch or the icing on the cake. So I hope you enjoy. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Please also be sure to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go.